Today we're out here installing our MRIs for the radiology department for the Winship Emory Midtown building. We installed a 3T and a 1.5T MRI by rigging them into the knockout panel inside of the building. The MRIs weigh around 16,000 pounds for the 3T and around 8,000 pounds for the 1.5. So obviously a little bit too heavy to put onto an elevator, so we use a crane, hoist the MRIs up into the air and in through the knockout panel in order to install them. I think we've probably been planning this in detail for the past year, but over the last 2 years. And it kind of all comes down to this day, closing the road on Peachtree and working together as a team to really make sure that it's executed flawlessly.